Hey you guys, it's your boy Tyler from Affiliate.Watch. In this video, we're going to be going over an amazing high-ticket affiliate program where you can earn $1,350 per customer on average. And if you don't know what Affiliate.Watch is, it's a platform I'm working on where you can come here and find the best referral and affiliate programs in the world for free. And we also have an app in the Google Play Store that is currently #1 in the world for the keyword affiliate. In today's video, we're going to be going over ActiveCampaign, which is the #1 customer experience automation platform. If you don't know who they are, they've been around for a while. They launched in 2003, and they have a really good affiliate program. They're paying $1,350 per customer on average. The cookies last for 60 days. The minimum payout is $100, and they pay out via PayPal. Over 150,000 businesses in 170 countries are using this platform to help with marketing automation, email marketing, CRM solutions, etc., etc. They have so many different features. I'll go over some of them, but I mostly want to focus on the partner program with you guys. And you can see their Alexa ranking is 10,356, so their website gets a lot of traffic. And they're paying 20% residual commissions forever, and it's actually up to 30%, but they start you on 20. And there's some influencers earning over $100,000 a month. It's an independent affiliate program, so it's not on any affiliate network, and it's instant approval, so you don't have to wait days or weeks to get started or any nonsense like that. So this is their homepage if you guys haven't seen it already. It's mostly focused towards e-commerce companies, business-to-consumer companies, as well as business-to-business companies. And they have a bunch of different features which help you with automation when you're running a business, so your employees and your company can save a lot of time as well as money, okay? So we'll go over some of their features real quick, just so you guys can get an idea. For example, they have personalized email marketing, and you can have dynamic content. So you can see right here, it's pretty cool. It says, hey, and then first name. So I'll put the user's first name you want to send the email to. And you can actually add the user's city. So you can be like, how's the weather out in Chicago or something like that. And then if you go down, you can see they have more automation features. For example, let's say a new order is placed. The user will get a thank you email. However, if the user abandons cart, you can wait 1 hour and then you can send them an email letting them know they still have items in their cart, etc., etc. They also have a smart CRM, so you can manage a lot of contacts, pipelines, deals, stuff like that. And then they also have website messaging, SMS messaging, a bunch of different features, okay? So just to show you guys more in depth about the email features, you can send broadcast emails, triggered emails, targeted emails, have email autoresponders, email funnels, scheduled emails, etc., etc. You can also make your own email templates or use their email templates. You can see it's very similar if you've used something like MailChimp or something like that. It's very similar to that. However, it has so many other features. You can connect it with Facebook, WooCommerce, Zapier, Unbounce, etc., etc. And then if we go here, you can see some more features about their marketing automation. So for example, you can wait 1 hour or wait 1 day and then notify the sales team or end the automation. You can find your most engaged contacts. You can integrate with your favorite different apps. So you can integrate with Shopify, WordPress, WooCommerce, etc. If we go down a bit, we can see some more features that are pretty cool. So you could even, for example, wait until a user hits a specific URL and then send out an email or do something like that or add a note. It's really advanced, guys. So you can come here, you can literally see all the different features. You can learn about the different industries that they usually service, the technology, blogger and influencers, e-commerce, education, agencies, small businesses, and enterprises. So you can get a better idea how this would work for your business. And then, so let me show you guys their pricing right here. So if you have 500 contacts, which is pretty small, this would be for like a very tiny startup. You can see the pricing right here. And this is per month, and they can pay yearly. They can also pay monthly, but it's going to be more expensive. So I think the majority of people are actually going to pay the yearly price. And then if we, for example, go to, let's do 10,000 contacts, okay? So their professional plan, they're going to be paying $280 a month times 12. I think that's about like $3,300, and then you are going to make literally 20% of that residual, okay, per year. And if you go to 50 or 100,000 contacts, you have to contact them for pricing. So if you can refer some really, really big companies, you can make a lot of money off this affiliate program. And that's why some affiliates are making literally 6 figures a month with their affiliate program. And they also have 4 different partner programs. So when you come to the website to sign up, you're going to need to go to the partners page, okay? Once you're here, you can see that you can become an agency partner, so you can white label their software and manage your clients directly. You can be an affiliate partner. You can be an app partner, so if you want to build apps that directly integrate to the ActiveCampaign platform, you can go ahead and do that. And they also have a chamber partner program. We're more interested in the affiliate partner page, so we're going to go there. And then you can see right here, like I said earlier, guys, it's an average of $1,350 per referral, with some affiliates earning hundreds of thousands of dollars monthly. That's absolutely amazing, and the reason they're earning so much is because this is high ticket commissions. It's a very popular product, and a lot of companies want to use it, okay? So you can see some more information about their affiliate stuff on this page. We've gone over the majority of it. I highly recommend you guys sign up to this affiliate program. I think this is one of the better affiliate programs I've seen. That's why I ranked it very well on my website. And if you guys have any questions about it, just leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day. Peace out.